Welcome back. My name is RJ.
And I'm Alina.
Today we're making pizza rolls. And today's special guest is Yaseen.
Hi everybody. It's me again.
Hi Yaseen. Ready to make some pizza rolls?
Yeah.
Let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to... Okay. We're not doing one per. We're doing 2 pizza rolls each. I'll
2 pieces of bread on each.
So here's the first step.
I would say that was the first step.
Take some oil. Rub it in the corners if you want it crunchy, or you can just start making it without oil. Would you like oil to make it crunchy?
No, I don't really like crunchy stuff.
Okay, that means you can just get started.
No, I don't like crunchy.
Okay.
Like the Cookie Monster.
I'll bring the ingredients. Alina, you want it crunchy or anything like that?
I like it on the outside.
It's tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce?
Yeah, that's tomato sauce.
I know.
And I put it like this.
Okay, after when we're good with the tomato sauce. I don't want more. Okay. Tomato sauce. I'll get some cheese.
Raising if you like the small tomato sauce.
So first you fold the corners.
That's what I did.
Almost like you're making a paper airplane. Make it like a mail. Make it like you're doing mail. See? And then
like that.
roll.
Okay.
And there's your pizza roll.
Oh, I actually start combining them.
And same thing again.
What happens if you combine them?
Like this.
You'll probably make a double-decker dough layer.
Decker.
Yeah, double-decker.
What did you just do?
I think she spilled some tomato sauce. Alina. Okay, that can be
This is
Yaseen.
okay.
Yeah,
What
but
can be mine? Yeah, good. Enough.
and
Still gonna be good.
you want
So
crunchy
now
again?
all of ours is different.
Yes.
Have the oil, please. Hey. Mine's like this. This one's messed up.
Imagine if you play Minecraft. You play Minecraft, RJ?
I do.
I do. One time I came to my friend's. One time I came to one of my best friends, Peter's house. He was playing Minecraft, and then at one of his accounts, he was in the Nether. He was in the Nether, and he had a pet wither storm. It was crazy.
A pet wither storm?
Yeah, a pet wither storm.
On survival?
No.
Exactly. But it was still a pet.
For some reason, I can't get to the Nether. Even though I tried every possible way, still can't get to the Nether.
You can't.
Can't.
So you couldn't make obsidian blocks?
I did make up obsidian blocks.
But you don't know how to place it right?
My friend Peter told me in like a square.
It's not a square, it's a rectangle.
How did he do that to me?
He's probably playing on you. Or joking.
He'll never do that to me.
Well, it's not a square.
Alina.
That's how you...
Look how
It's like mail. You make it like mail.
Look how mine is.
Oh my god.
It's like a taco.
I know, but the sauce might get into the machine.
You can just like.
Oh, brother.
I have to wipe this sauce up.
Oh my... Now sauce is coming. This is how you make your pizza rolls, and that's how you make Yaseen's pizza rolls, and that's how you make Alina's pizza rolls.
So bad. I need like a napkin or something to wipe that off. But I have to like redo this one.
Can you put mine in, please? Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do that.
What happened?
Look how it's it.
Here, I'll show you. That's not how you make a pizza roll.
That way.
That's like okay.
It's like a SpongeBob roll.
Eat it.
Okay. Hey, I'm not gonna eat it right now.
You gotta put extra cheese at least to cover that sauce.
Put it in.
Mine's is long.
Yeah, mine's is small.
Yours is
medium.
smushed.
Yours is
Yeah.
thick.
That's good.
I'm gonna put extra cheese on top so it's not. Go ahead.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
I don't know why that happened.
Yeah, that was so
He's just like a pineapple.
Looks better.
How dare you?
Look.
Bring Mr. Pineapple on this. How dare you bring Mr. Pineapple on this? Okay, this at least should.
Yeah, that looks better. That looks better.
Are you being
than
sarcastic?
No, that looks better than Mr. Pineapple now.
It looks like a little military fort.
What?
It looks like a fort and there's just cheese on it.
Okay, but how are you gonna get that into the little?
You better eat all that.
Machine.
Is my plate?
Can we do this?
My plate's so clean.
Just gonna have to do.
I didn't even bring my plate.
I did it!
Yeah, mine's so clean.
That looks like a. I don't know.
No!
Get rid of it.
Okay, start.
Okay, now you put it at 350
Now,
degrees.
Yaseen can eat all that.
Yeah, look it.
I licked it. Not.
Let's start cleaning up.
First off, you have to put this back hard.
First, I'll put this and this.
Wait,
Hey,
put
did
that
I
towel.
use this?
So guys, you know how like Pokemon cards are one of like the best cards in existence?
I didn't know that.
Mine got blown.
They're the best cards
I have
in
Street
the
Fighter
whole
cards too.
world.
Actually, did you have the video game Street Fighter? I have
Yes.
the video. Oh, let's play.
After when we eat
Eat the delicious food.
the pizza rolls.
1 minute left.
Hey,
Less than a minute.
So, what do you want to say before
who's your favorite soccer player?
my taco player?
What's your favorite soccer player?
I don't even know why you said taco player.
I said soccer player.
I'm not sure.
Mine is Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano
Messi.
Ronaldo.
Lionel Messi.
Okay.
Let's
My
check it out.
favorite is Steve.
What do you mean, Steve?
Yeah, I got it.
Steve doesn't play soccer.
I wish he did. Do you know you can actually play soccer in Minecraft?
I didn't know. Why is this? Careful.
Ooh.
Bubbling.
Why are you used to it?
I always use one for some reason.
How long does it have to cool?
Woohoo!
Now this looks like fish.
It does not look like fish at all.
While it's cooling, we can talk.
Yeah.
You put it like that?
Can we talk about? So, whose is this?
That's RJ.
Why did you open it?
I didn't open it.
It exploded while I was cooking.
You.
What? It's perfect. Here. Alina, can you share?
Yay, really crunchy.
They actually do look really crunchy.
Thank you.
They smell good.
Mine?
I don't know why.
Thank you,
Alina's is like, it looks like Alina went like this.
Mine is not obeying me.
Oh, it smells like pizza.
No.
It smells like pizza. Or do you smell it?
Get off here.
What? I can't smell my own stuff?
That's crazy.
What?
Like, that RJ just said you can't smell his own stuff.
Don't touch that.
It doesn't burn.
It's stuck.
I'm gonna go put the midden back.
Oh, it's hot.
Yum, yum.
It's hot.
Yum, yum, mine's all crunchy. But it's perfect, I think.
Hey, yo, it looks like we can literally see inside it.
So what do you like about Minecraft? Do you know any like tricks or anything like that?
Yeah, I know the kill. I know how to defeat a.
Oh, we gotta get the green chutney.
Where's the green chutney?
Oh,
I got this.
green chutney. So yummy.
What's green chutney?
Chetty. Why are you saying like stuff a little bit backwards?
Okay, so mittens.
We need to clean up before we eat.
You got it, Yaseen?
Yeah, I'm gonna put this in those sticks.
You took some chutney with you.
Yeah.
Put this back where it was.
These are back.
Yummy.
So if you want to order some chutney, you can go to www.femichutney.com.
Oh,
And thank you, Yaseen, for coming today. Thank you for Femi Chutney giving this green chutney to us so we can have some. And I remember last time Alina almost took all the green chutney. That's how much she likes it. So thank you, Femi Chutney, for making Alina love your chutney, especially the green one. Thank you, Femi Chutney, again, and thank you, Yaseen, for coming on the show.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Yaseen. It was hot. Yeah.
put some chutney on there, RJ. Put some chutney on there, Yaseen.
Do you like the smell of garlic?
Not really.
No?
Not really. No.
That's really hot. That looks like turkey.
What looks like chocolate?
Looks like turkey.
Yeah, it does look like turkey.
I have turkey.
So guys, you know like 1 + 1 = 1,000,000?
Doesn't.
I'm just playing, it equals 2,000. Oh, it equals 2. Ah!
I didn't expect that these pizza bites will be this good.
Me too. I expected them to be like good as this.
Like good as a mess.
It's not a mess, it's a masterpiece. Kind of like a turtle. Kind of like a shell.
Why are you eating a turtle?
It's a pizza roll.
Well, you just said it's a turtle.
I said it looks like a turtle, aren't they? Big difference.
Mr. Pineapple, what do you say about Yaseen's mess?
Who taught me to
Exactly, Archie. Roasted.
What about mine? Does mine look like a stick? What did he say?
He said, no, he said it looks fat. He said it doesn't look like a stick. It does look like a stick, but like a normal stick would be like that.
Yeah.
It's like that.
So probably like a branch up high.
Yeah.
I want more chutney.
I have turkey.
Okay. Thank you, Femi Chutney once again, and thank you, Yaseen, for coming once again. And bye for now, fans out there. Make sure you buy some chutney next time when you have your pizza rolls. Thank you.
Oh,